But the jury had to decide whether his insanity went to the level of criminal insanity where he did not know what was going on. And this case is ripe for appeal because the judge did not move the trial, the judge did not delay the trial, and that is going to be ripe for an appeal of this type of case because the judge should have delayed it to make sure, as an abundance of caution, to make sure that this trial was fair to Eddie Ray Routh.
What about that, Eric? I mean, can some clever defense lawyer go to an appeals court and say, look, you know, yeah, my client was convicted, but look at all of the publicity, look at all of the falderall out of the release of this movie. He couldn't possibly have received a fair trial. Let's hold this. Let's do this one more time.
Yes, an appeals lawyer will, because there are several issues that you have to look at. Just like what was just mentioned, this was an Academy Award type of film. The jury was not sequestered. They were told not to avoid the Academy Awards, so they have all this exposure, and it's in his hometown. And that type of publicity is very tough to overcome for a fair trial. And our justice system is designed to make sure that every single person, regardless of the crime, gets a fair trial. And I'm not sure if he did. The jury they have given interviews already, and some of them even mentioned that they saw the film, which could have impacted their decision. And we, as a society, must make sure that everyone gets a fair trial, regardless of how heinous the crime is. They must get a fair trial.